Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a test in the Realme X2 Pro whether this phone will support the HDR videos in the YouTube or not. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys, Sai Tech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of comparison videos and reviews on the smartphones. So if you're having any queries regarding the X2 Pro or any other smartphones currently, so you can WhatsApp me to the number given. And before messaging anything, you need to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, and you need to send the screenshot of that to me, so attached with the query whatever you are having. So if you are having any doubts regarding the Android applications or Android smartphones, for what budget you need to buy which device, so you can message me. So don't try to call to this number because this is a number from the Australia. So try only WhatsApping me. So even in the WhatsApp you try to mostly try to prefer messaging, not calling. So as you can see what model I am using right now, 8GB and 128GB Realme X2 Pro variant. So the X2 Pro is pretty much the display is very good guys. The X2 Pro display as a HDR 10 plus certified. So overall the display quality of the X2 Pro is very good. So as you can see here the specifications of the X2 Pro phone. So HDR 10 plus certified here. So let me try to play a video in the YouTube application. So you need to type the HDR videos. So as soon as you play any video, the display color will be changing whenever you are playing the HDR videos. So same thing has happened with the Realme X phone as well. In some separate video I'll be mentioning the what is the problem in the HDR videos in the Realme devices. So as you can see right now it supports the HDR videos, as you can see 1080p at 60 fps. So whereas the OnePlus 7 Pro it supports at 1440p 60 fps HDR videos. So because the display is of Quad HD, whereas the Realme X2 Pro is just the 1080p display, not the Quad HD display. So as you can see guys, overall the viewing angles are very good in the X2 Pro phone. So due to the dual speakers, so you will get a pretty loud voice. So overall guys, the Realme X2 Pro supports the HDR videos directly from the YouTube application. So in another video I'll be talking the what is the problem of playing the HDR videos in the X2 Pro device. So that's it for this video. If you are having any queries, don't forget to WhatsApp me to the number, and even don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. So do check the links in the description for the playlist of Realme X2 Pro videos. See you in the next video guys. Bye.